ang sarap lang kasi it's about relationships.
It is about
Oo, halimbawa, yung pagtutol nga ng nanay mo sa iyong asawa, di ba? And then also the complexities of the character. Ang daming ikot.
Yeah, ang lalim kasi ni Paco Palacios eh. I mean, I would set him on the mentality na parang may pagka-sociopath.
Okay.
That's a very, what do you call this, a very deep mental issue, di ba? So para sa akin, had to dive deep into that type of mentality na sa harap ng tao, you're so nice, but you're hiding something so violent within you talaga na just waiting to be revealed.
Ngayon narinig ko yung dynamics ninyo sa pagmamahal. Si Paco, paano?
Si Paco naman, he's very expressive. He will fight for love. He will express his love. He wants to win the person over immediately. As soon as possible, he really wants Sam talaga.
And he doesn't want to lose.
He doesn't want to lose. He doesn't usually lose. He's usually used to winning throughout his life. So,
working with Bea as an actor, kumusta yun?
She's very professional and ang lalim ng acting niya. I really had to like dig deep talaga para lang ma-match yung intensity ng mata ni Bea eh. So, it was quite the challenge. Siguro magsisinungaling ako kapag sinabi ko na hindi ako na-intimidate at first. Pero eventually, we adjust to each other's energy. And I think what we created sa Widow's War is some kind of a good chemistry, but at the same time, buti na lang hindi
we look forward.
Yeah.
We look forward. Siyang Susan, hindi ba talaga ikaw ang pumatay kay Paco Palacios? Rafael, let's do fast talk. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that story.
Let's go.
We have 2 minutes to do this at maya-maya lamang po ay magkakapuwera kami ni Rafael. Okay, we have 2 minutes to do this and our time begins now. Make love, fight war.
Make love.
Maglilihim, aamin.
Aamin.
Mang-aakit, mananakit.
Mang-aakit.
Tahimik, matinik.
Matinik.
Traidor, tirador.
Tirador.
Abs o labs?
Abs.
40s, 20s?
20s.
Surfing sa dagat o surfing sa internet?
Surfing sa dagat.
Tambay sa gym o tambay sa bahay?
Tambay sa bahay.
Patay na kuko o patay na buhok?
Patay na kuko.
Ang hirap naman nun. Patay ang TV o patay ang phone?
Patay ang phone.
Papatay ka ng ipis, anong gagamitin mo?
Tsinelas.
Bagay na ililibing mo?
Cellphone.
Bagay na ilalaban mo?
Pagmamahal.
Your bad habit?
Procrastination.
Your best trait?
Procrastination.
Tuwing kailan ka sexy, Rafael?
Sa gabi na siguro.
Tuwing kailan ka pogi?
Sa umaga.
Tuwing kailan ka romantic?
Midday.
Guilty or not guilty, nagsinungaling to impress a girl?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nag-make out sa beach?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, inalok ng indecent proposal?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nadala sa kissing scene?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nabasted ng artista?
Not guilty.
Kailan ka huling nagsinungaling?
Matagal na.
Kakampi mo sa buhay, sino?
Valerie.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
At night.
Complete this. In life, all I need is...
Your love.
Galing. And the good thing is, you have that now.
Wow. Thank you.
Diba? I mean, sometimes it takes a long journey for people to get there.
Yeah.
You
and
are
also
there.
sometimes it just takes a matter of perspective.
Tama.
Diba? Sometimes your love talaga, you just don't see it.
You just don't notice.
Yes.
Diba?
Exactly.
And take good care of that.
Yeah.
You've been in the business for quite a while. Naalala ko pa yung sabi mo nga, conversation among us, Chris Aquino, me, and you, when you were very new in the business.
Yes.
And you've been doing quite well. You've been doing quite well. Sabi nga ni RD, our head writer, hindi ka nawawala ng trabaho. You're always there. You have a lot of work. And we pay tribute, of course, your manager, Popoy, and your talent, your professionalism. Napakahusay mong kasama. Pero I'm wondering lang, Rafael, are you happy with where you are? Or meron bang mga pagkakataon na sumasagi sa iyong isipan that you deserve more in your career? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.